Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to change password on IC markets in just a few steps. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do is you log in your account on IC Markets global website, and after that logging in or your account, so you'll see the dashboard. On the top right corner you'll see here three logo or icon. So you just have to click this one, and the drop down option you will see a bunch of option here, and you just have to click the change password. And after that, just have to wait. You just have to type your recent password or old password. Okay, and after that you can create a new one. Okay, let's say uh-huh. And you just have to confirm it. So after filling up this, guys, you're good to go. You just have to tap this one, the update password, and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in IC Markets Global website. Thank you.